How to log out of Moonton account. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to log out of your Moonton account. If you want to switch to another account or remove access from other devices, just follow these steps carefully. First, open Mobile Legends or any game that uses a Moonton account. Go to Settings and then tap on Account and then tap Account Center. Inside Account Center, scroll down and tap Device Management. Here you will see the option Log Out All. Tap Log Out and confirm. This will sign your account out from all other devices. Those devices will now need your Moonton password or third-party login again. For security, it is also recommended to change your password after doing this. Now go back and tap Switch Account. You can log in using Moonton account, Google, Facebook, or other linked services. Moonton does not have a direct logout button for the current device. So, switching to another account is the way to remove the existing account from your game. After switching, the previous account will no longer be active on your device. If this video helped you, do like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment sections below.